Jamar Parish from California Bears. Finally picked up a good ride. Went to their tryouts. I understand they had like 160 skaters at their tryouts. They were behind the band store in Mesa. It's pretty wild. They come out with about 15, 20 guys for their statewide team. So let's see what they can do. Jamar Parish, one of the team members in the series right now in the intermediate division. We're looking at about 15 seconds left. 15. 5 seconds, Jamar. I think Jamar Parish took like third place. He went back to Florida to Jacksonville, took third place in the intermediate division. And that's going to be time for Jamar Parish. Riding for also GNS, it's going to be Cody Boat. And here he comes. Cody Boat, TNT and GNS skater.
Dave!
Cody Boat from TNT and GNS. Intermediate division. So guy can skate. Seconds left for Cody Boat. 7 guys qualify out of this class. Slipping over there in third. 5 seconds. And that's going to be time right there. We're going to finish this one out with Cody Boat. Let's hear it.